How to cancel your Temu order or how to cancel an order on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel an order on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to cancel your Temu order, first things first, you want to open up Temu and sign into your account or log into your account that you made the order from. Once you're on the page, you should get an interface like this. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the home option at the bottom in the middle. So you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you should see the option that says your orders. Right here on the screen, you can see your orders. So you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, under all orders, you'll be able to find your orders. In my case, I haven't made any orders, so it's not shown up here. But if you do have one, it'll show up here. Once you show up here, what you want to do is you want to find the relevant order under this option, and then you want to head into cancel option or other help option. Then you want to follow the instructions on the screen and select I want to cancel items or purchases, and then click all at the top of the list and you're good to go. So this is the way that you can cancel Temu order. I'm unable to show you here, but hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.